Okay, guys, I'm just getting up this morning. I wanted to rest, but I think yesterday I was showing my subscribers who are on the S Robot. I was showing them that they need to understand that you're going to have wins and you're going to have losses as well. But the plan is to have more wins than losses. So I just want to show them the update of what I was showing them. I think it was around to 1 o'clock, about 1 a.m. So I want to show you what the account that started this week. Okay, I think it started this week on Monday. So if it started on Monday, so that's like about 6 days now. Yeah, it started on Monday because I remember I was in church on Sunday. So it started on Monday. So now this is what it has become, right? Now let me move my face a little bit away from there so that you see. Now what you have right now is $858. It is slow and steady. They saw it when it was like 700 and something dollars. So I'm just trying to show them so that you get to see that Rome was not built in a day. It doesn't happen just all of a sudden. It grows slow, steady, and you get there. So let me show you the profit table. It's going to have losses. It's going to have wins. But you're going to have more wins than losses. So you're going to be growing gradually. You just have to have that patience. Don't be in a hurry.
Signal on TMNMedia app.
You can see losses. Oh, sorry. I forgot to turn this off. It's telling me there is signal on my app. I'm still trying to check the app. We don't use the notifications. The notification that pop up is delayed like about 10 to 15 or 20 seconds. So we don't use that to trade. What we actually use is the app itself, which is very timely. It comes very timely. Okay, I'm trying to show it because I think because my stuff is just distorting what I'm doing. So let's see. No, I'm not signing up now. I'm not signing up. Okay, there was a signal just right now. These are the signals. You can see them. You can see the timing. 04, 30, 03, 02. They are very timely. Very, very timely. When you stay here and you pick the signals and you trade, they are very timely. Now, the signals that the S Robot is taking, they are certain signal. You can see a signal popping up. That's a 25 index. Look at 25 index popping up. You can see 1202 popping up. 03, you can see it popping up. So we're working on the notification to synchronize with the timing of delivery so that there is not going to be any lag. But currently there is still lag. There's still like 10 seconds delay on the notification. So we're still working on bringing it closer. So it's going to move closer very soon. But majorly you want to trade, you stay on the app. Now the signals that are being traded on the S Robot are also the same signal that are on my TMNMedia, but they are the version, a higher version, which is version 3.5. Now what we have on the app for everybody is version 3. Now that's another signal. It's vibrating on me. That's another signal. And this one is 100. You can see 100. So it's vibrating. It will vibrate once it happens. It vibrates immediately. You can see 04. That means there is a signal on 100 as well. So when you stay on the app, you get the signal as it is hot and sizzling, as it is dropping. So you're not gonna miss anything. But if you're waiting for notification, it is about 10 seconds or 15 seconds thereabout delayed. So back to what I was trying to show you. before I think okay, I'm just gonna leave this on, so I'm just, because I forgot to off it, so let me switch it off. Okay, I just switch off the stuff. Now you see losses. I hope you can see losses. These are the trades that this robot did today. You can see losses, $5, $4. Those losses they are very close. You know, the trades are very close. The only problem is just that probably he didn't do it on time. So if he doesn't do it on time, the robot does not hear any English. It closes. Once the time reaches, it closes. That's just it. So if I show you the losses, you will see that they were still close. Some of them are still close, like this one you can see is still close. Okay, let's go and check on another one that happened. Look at this one, for instance, is also still close. Okay, they are close to the mark, but they've been there for long. So if they are there for long, it doesn't wait, it closes them up. So let's check the last one, which is the 5. You get to see now that's signal dropping. Okay, if you look up, you can see 25 index, TMNMedia. That's the app notifying you. Now that notification is about 10 seconds to 15 seconds delayed, right? You don't use that. You stay on the app and you trade. That's what you do. Now you can see this one. You can see that it's also still close. So that's the robot is doing well. Yeah, it's doing well, because right now I can say it has made $400, over $400 really. That's about, it has made about $500. So in the space of how many days? Because I actually transferred $300 to it. Okay, so let me do one last recap. Guys, sorry I'm not going to be posting any again. Sorry, I may just be telling you I made so and so. I'm not going to be posting anything again. This account is going to be verified soon, so I'm not posting anything, whatever. I just want to focus on money making opportunity. Okay, so today is 19. I want to check and see. I think it was on Sunday. If today is 19, 5 days should be like on the 12th. So I want you to see the balance. This is 14. I want to show you the balance. Now it's not a matter of this is not screenshot. I'm showing you the account itself. Okay, this is 13. I need for it to be 12. Okay, this is still 13. Okay, 12. 12 should be like on Sunday. Okay, it was on Sunday I made the deposit. You can see the deposit 300. So I had 394. Now let me tell you, before that 94, the actual balance was just $30. Yeah, $37. So I grew $37 into $94. From $94, I now added another 300. So the money I added here on this account is just $330 or $337. That $7 was still profit. So it's just $330. So I had $330. Now, if I had $330 on the move, I don't know why my screen is lagging and it's showing blank. I've not off this phone for many days. It has not gone on and off. Okay, so let's say from 12, right? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Today is 19. I don't know how to count. Okay, so that's 12. Let's say that's a week. But I did not start the main trading on that Sunday. No, I didn't start the main trading on that Sunday. I started on Monday. So if I count Monday till today is 6, that's 6 days. So Robot has done 6 days out of 10 days. Yeah, 6 days out of 10 days. So in 6 days, it has made how much? How much? Let's even minus 400 from this. So it has made 458, over 100%. If I minus 400 from 800 and something, I'm going to get like let's say 460 or so. So if I say 460, it has made $460 in a week, in 6 days. Tomorrow will make it 7. So in 6 days, it has made over 100%. Over 100%. It's slow but steady. You're not going to be rushing anything. Slow, steady, no rushing. Now I'm speaking to my students. You need to understand this. I'm speaking to my subscribers on the S Robot. Slow, steady. Remember, business mindset. You're building an edifice. Don't be in a hurry. Prove the system. Prove that it works. Once you've confirmed that it works, then you establish it. You top it up. You start trading the normal way you want to trade. This account is going to be trading with 2 million. Yeah, it's going to be trading with 2 million. If it's going to be trading with 2 million, 2 million is just about $4,000. So if it's going to be trading with $4,000, each trade is going to be using like $1,000. So, but right now we are still on the testing phase. There are 4 phases we go through. We've tested on demo, we've tested on real. I've tested demo, I've tested with real small money, which is $30. Now I've tested with 10%. Right now it is working on 10%. It's going to go to 20% very soon. I'm just giving you information, or some information on how we are using the robot, so you understand. That's why I'm not going to be doing much more stuff, because I know I'm a talkative. I give out too much, so I'm not doing any more recording. I can just show you, hey, screenshot today, this is what it makes. So you start seeing only screenshots. God bless you. See you another time. Hey, if you want to subscribe to Robot, hey, wait till next year. Right now I am on break till next year, and the subscription is purely $300. Yes, $300. $300. Then you have the way it works is we get to install it on your phone. Now it's going to be doing the trading for you. It's just like me doing the trading on your phone. Now you first have to go through some certain steps to ensure it's working properly. Once it's working properly, then you launch off. You have 50-day subscription. After 50 days, then you start renewing your subscription, like paying $20,500 on a monthly basis. Now it has its own signal service. Yes, S Robot has its own signal service. Now the signals are called from the main signals. So you're not going to be trading everything. No, you're going to be trading to get good profits. God bless you, and I'll see you another time.